Rough included. The Delta MultiChoice Universal Shower Valve, included, is compatible with most Delta shower trim kits, so you can switch out or upgrade your shower fixture without tearing out expensive tile or altering the plumbing behind the wall. Lifetime limited warranty. You can install with confidence, knowing this Delta shower head and shower trim kit are backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. 3x coverage. Delta H2Okinetic PowerDrench Spray provides 3x more coverage than a standard shower head, coverage measured in accordance with EPA WaterSense Specification for shower heads, March 4, 2010. 5 powerful spray options. Shower head spray settings include H2Okinetic PowerDrench Spray, full body spray with massage, massaging spray, pause. WaterSense labeled so you can enjoy a warm, drenching shower experience while using 20% less water, saving you money without compromising performance. Soft, rubber touch clean spray holes allow you to easily wipe away calcium and lime buildup from the spray face of your shower head and hand shower with the touch of a finger. Complete unit includes trim and MultiChoice universal valve with rough-in. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent purchase. This looks great in our newly renovated bathroom.